How to change Walmart items from pickup to shipping. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, The Solution Guy. In today's video, I'll guide you through the steps on how you can change your Walmart items from pickup to shipping, so make sure to watch this video till the end. So to do this, all you have to do is open your browser, go to walmart.com, add a specific product to your cart, and during the checkout page, which means that I will show you how it works, you just have to click on the cart icon from the top right hand side of the screen, and then once you click on the cart icon, you'll see pickup and delivery options. So many of the products, what happens is that they are not available for shipping, right? And then by default it could have been selected to pickup or maybe a delivery, and that if you want to change it to shipping, all you have to do is select this product. Now physical products are most usually like shipped, and digital products are also like delivery or everything as such, but pickup are only for some of the available products, that also depending upon the type of seller and the type of product that you're actually trying to purchase, because not all the products actually have pickup or shipping available. You can see for this specific product, which means this jeans over here only has shipping available, I cannot go ahead and pick them up. But if it is set to pick up, all you have to do is when you go to the cart page, click on pickup and delivery options, select the option called shipping, and you will be done. So hope this video helped you. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to our channel. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.